Hey filmmakers, welcome to the Mastering 360 studio. My name is Chris Beddick. I am a cinematographer and immersive filmmaker. I've spent the past 5 years developing cameras and creating hundreds of experiences for brands like the Vancouver Canucks, BC Lions, and Mercedes-Benz. When I started back in 2013, there were no manuals or how-to videos. I simply learned the hard way. But this doesn't mean you have to. The biggest lesson I learned is that immersive filmmaking is a lot different than traditional filmmaking. Now, I want to teach you everything I've learned over the past 5 years in the Mastering 360 workshops. On day one, I focus on theory, teaching you how to make 360 videos from pre-production all the way to distribution. We learned history, storyboarding, camera selection, stitching, even how to view your 360 videos, and a lot more. On day two, we put the theory into action with hands-on instruction. By the end of the workshop, all students will have participated in the creation of a short 360 immersive video. Experts predict by 2022, the whole immersive industry will be valued around $120 billion a year. Do you want to be a part of this? Registration is now open and seating is limited. We have had these workshops sell it before, so if you want to hold your spot, click now.
This workshop was amazing. This is an unbelievably exciting space that I'm so excited to be getting involved in.
All the rules of regular filmmaking go out the window. You can't hide anybody, everything you shoot, you see.
I'd absolutely recommend this workshop. There's nothing better than getting your hands dirty, just getting the camera in your hands and having the opportunity to play with these things.
I'd heard of it being hosted at Emily Carr previous year from an alumni. I went there years ago and he recommended the course to me and then it filled up. And then I've been patiently waiting for the workshop to run again so I could take it.
360 videos is totally new for me, and I was so excited that I actually flew all the way from Germany to Vancouver to take part in it.
And it's funny because I'd been wanting to learn and I've been wanting to know more about VR, but there's nothing out there.
Things are changing rapidly, and the way we view content, look at content, and make content is changing.
Well, this is a great skill set to have, and also I think the way that the industry is moving towards these days, it's definitely trending, and there will be more opportunities as we move forward.